In 1 mile, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 26, I-93 north toward Boston.
It's been 4 weeks you looked at me. Got your hand on the side till I'm angry. 5 days to laugh at me. Saying get that together, come back and see me. 3 days to living room. I really know it's all my fault, but couldn't tell you. Hey, you've forgiven me. But it was 2 days till I say I'm sorry.
Oh, then I won't watch it look great. Does it make you stop thinking? You think you're looking at Aquaman? I summon fish to the dish of the world.
There's a history of crashes for the next 0.5 miles. Drive safe.
Because I'm all about hits. You try to match wits. You try to hold me by the bus through. Gonna make a break and take a think I like a sink and naked chick. I like vanilla. It's the finest of the flavors. You see the shoulders and you'll know the version.
Exit right 2, exit 26, I-93 north toward Boston.
I need to smile, though I feel bad. I'm the kind of guy who laughs at a funeral. Can't understand what I mean when you soon will. I have a tendency to wear my mind on my sleeve. I have a history of taking off my shirt.
It's been 4 weeks since you looked at me. Threw your up in the air, you crazy. 5 days since you tackled me. I feel that's my reference, I both my knees. It's been 3 days since the afternoon. You realize it's not my fault, but only too soon. Yesterday, you've forgiven me. Now I'll sit back and wait till you say you're sorry.
Continue straight for 5 minutes to I-93 north, US 1 toward Boston.
But if I didn't have a samurai, gonna get a set of better clothes and finally find my tiny nuts, so my hands are always flying off the backswing. You can get it from Sailor Moon, cause like cartoons got the poop, and I make babies to me, it's the wrong thing. Can't help it if I think you're funny when you're mad. Trying hard to smile, but I feel bad. I'm not gonna get laughs in a funeral, can't understand what I mean. You said will. I have a tendency to wear my mind on my sleeve. I have a history of losing my shirt.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me. Dropped her off the side and said I'm sorry. 5 days since I laughed at you and said you just did just what I thought you were gonna do. 3 days since the living room. We realized we both to blame for what we do. Yesterday, you just smiled at me. Cause it was 2 days till we said we're sorry. It's 2 days till we said we're sorry. It's 2 days till we said we're sorry. But trust me, I won't fight around.
Gen X Radio on iHeartRadio.
leaving out today. I just saw Haley's coming surely. Said, are you always running in place? Even the man in the moon disappeared. Somewhere in this stratosphere. Tell my mother, tell my father, I've done the best I can to make them realize this is my life. I hope they understand. I'm not angry, I'm just saying. Sometimes goodbye is a second chance. Please don't buy one tear for me. I'm not afraid of what I have to say. This is my one and only voice, so listen close. It's only for today. I just saw Haley's coming surely. Said, why you always running in place? Even the man in the moon disappeared. Somewhere in the stratosphere. Tell my mother, tell my father, I've done the best I can to make them realize this is my life. I hope they understand. I'm not angry, I'm just saying. Sometimes goodbye is a second chance. Here is my chance. This is my chance. Tell my mother, tell my father, I've done the best I can to make them realize this is my life. I hope they understand. I'm not angry,
In 1 mile, use the left 2 lanes to stay to the left to I-93 North, US 1 toward Boston.
sometimes goodbye is a second chance. Sometimes goodbye is a second chance.
WXCX, HD2 Hilliard, Columbus.
This is Gen X Radio, an iHeartRadio original station. Download the free iHeartRadio app for all your music, radio, and podcasts.
God is this moment.
Stay to the left to I-93 North, US 1 toward Boston.
You can care all you want. Everybody does.
Continue straight for 8 minutes to exit 16, I-90 toward Airport, Worcester, South Station.
And give